forget to like, share and subscribe.
Hello students, today we are going to discuss how to find range of real valued functions. To find range of a real valued function, we use following algorithm. Step 1, put y equal to fx. Step 2, solve the equation y equal to fx for x in terms of y. Step 3, find the value of y for which x is real. And step 4, the set of value of y obtained in step 3 is the range of f. So we will take one example. Find, question number 1, find range of following function. Fx equal to x minus 1 upon x minus 2. Step 1, put y equal to fx. So first step, let y equal to fx. Now substitute value of fx. X minus 1 upon x minus 2. Step 2, solve the equation y equal to fx for x in terms of y. Means from this equation find the value of x in terms of y. Cross multiply y into this xy minus 2y equal to x minus 1. Now we have to find value of y, x in terms of y. So separate x and y. Xy minus x is equal to 2y minus 1. Taking common x, so we get y minus 1 is equal to 2y minus 1. Next step we get x equal to 2y minus 1 upon y minus 1. So step 2 is over. In step 3, find the value of y for which x is real. Find the value of y for which x is real. So x assumes real values if any quantity in denominator not equal to 0. So y minus 1 not equal to 0 means y not equal to 1. Y not equal to 1 means y belong to set of real number minus 1. Step 4, the set of value of y obtained in step 3 is the range of f. So therefore range f is equal to set of real number minus 1. Next problem, find range of following function. Fx equal to this. Step 1, let y equal to fx. Next step, y equal to root 16 minus x square. What is range? All possible value of fx means all possible value of y. Here sign of root is positive. So you always get only positive value. It means y is greater than equal to 0. Y is greater than equal to 0. You can use number line also. Dark circle, infinity minus in this portion, 0 to infinity. Give equation 1. Step 2, find the value of x in terms of y. So squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Y square is equal to 16 minus x square. X square is equal to 16 minus y square. And x equal to plus minus root 16 minus y square. So step 2 is over. Find the value of x in terms of y. Now step 3. X assumes real values if any quantity inside the root is greater than equal to 0. 16 minus y square is greater than equal to 0. Now find factor of this. Factors are 4 plus y, 4 minus y, greater than equal to 0. For Viviker method, coefficient of x is always positive or coefficient of y is always positive. Here coefficient of y is negative. So multiply throughout by minus sign. So 4 plus y. Here we can write y minus 4. And when we multiply by negative sign, then negative will be changed. Less than equal to 0. Now draw a number line and draw locate critical points. There are two critical points, y equal to minus 4 and y equal to 4. Minus 4 and 4. Less than equal to means y equal to 4 and y equal to minus 4. So dark both numbers, including minus 4 and including plus 4. Because at y equal to minus 4, this quantity is 0. At y equal to 4, this quantity is 0. So including minus 4 and 4. In which interval value of y is less than equal to 0, means negative. By Viviker, plus sign, starting from always plus sign, then minus sign, then plus sign. So in which interval product of these two is less than equal to 0? This one. So y belong to minus 4 to 4. Big bracket. Give equation number 2. In equation 1, y is greater than equal to 0. And equation 2, y belong to minus 4 to 4. So therefore from equations 1 and 2, y belong to 0 to 4. 0 to 4. You can discuss with number line also. Minus 4 to 4. And this solution is 0 to infinity. What is common between minus 4 to 4 and 0 to infinity? This portion, and this is 0 to 4. Therefore range f is equal to 0 to 4. Next problem. Find the range of following real valued function. Fx equal to x square minus 9 upon x minus 3. This is very special question. Whenever any function is given the question and we have to find domain and range, first simplify. So simplify this. X plus 3 into x minus 3 upon x minus 3. In maths we can get only numbers. We don't know value of x minus 3. If x equal to 3, then we get 3 minus 3, 0 upon 0. So we can't cancel 0. So if we cut, then always write x minus 3 not equal to 0. This is compulsory. If you cut any number, any variable, then always write not equal to 0. X plus 3 and x not equal to 3. This is new value of fx after simplification. Range means all possible value of fx. X is real number plus 3 real number, means we get all real numbers. But in question x not equal to 3. If x not equal to 3, then corresponding fx not equal to 6. Just see, since x not equal to 3, adding 3 on both sides. So x plus 3 not equal to 6. 3 plus 3, 6. but x plus 3 is equal to fx. So fx not equal to 6, or fx not equal to 6 means fx belong to set of real number minus 6. So therefore range f equal to r minus 6. Next problem. Find range of fx equal to x upon 1 plus x square. First step, let y equal to fx. Now substitute value of fx, x upon 1 plus x square. Now cross multiply y into this. So y into x square plus y into 1 y plus yx square is equal to x. Now we have to find value of x, and power of x is 2, means this is quadratic equation. So please rearrange and apply quadratic formula. So y into x square minus x plus y equal to 0. When we apply quadratic formula, when coefficient of x square is not equal to 0, you all know quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0. Then we can apply quadratic formula, x equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Means we have to take two cases. Case first, y not equal to 0. Case second, y equal to 0 in this way. So case first, y equal to 0. When y equal to 0, then corresponding value of x is 0. Case second, y not equal to 0. Then we can apply quadratic formula. So x is equal to minus b. So minus 1 plus 1 plus minus 1 whole square. So 1 minus 4ac, 4 into y, 4y square upon y. After this, x assumes real values if any quantity inside the root is greater than or equal to 0. So 1 minus 4y square is greater than or equal to 0. Now find factor of this. 1 plus 2y into 1 minus 2y greater than or equal to 0. For Weyerhaeuser method, coefficient of variable is always positive, but here negative sign is there. So multiply by minus sign. Multiply both sides by minus 1. So we get 2y minus 1 and change the iniquity. After this, draw number line and locate both critical points. One is minus 1 by 2, other is plus 1 by 2. And dark the circle, including minus 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. Because at y equal to minus 1 by 2, this quantity is 0. And at y equal to 1 by 2, this quantity is 0. In which interval this into this is less than or equal to 0? For this, use Weyerhaeuser method. In beginning, plus sign, then minus sign, then plus sign. Or you can putting the values and also check okay, positive, negative, or positive. Take any number between 1 by 2 to infinity. For example, 2. When you put y equal to 2, 1 plus 4, 5 is positive number. 2 into 2, 4 minus 1, 3, positive. Product of two positive number is positive. Take any number between this 0, 1 plus 2 into 0, 1. 2 into 0, 0 minus 1, minus 1. Means positive number into negative number, negative. Similarly, take any number 3, 1 plus 6, minus 3. So 1 plus minus 6, minus 5 and minus 7. So product of two negative number is positive. So in which interval product of these two is less than or equal to 0? This one. So y belong to minus 1 by 2 to 1 by 2. Give equation number 2 and here give equation number 1. From equation 1 and 2, in equation 1, at x equal to 0, y equal to 0, already 0 is inside between minus 1 by 2 to 1 by 2. Sorry, when we apply y not equal to 0, so minus 0. From equations 1 and 2, at x equal to 0, y equal to 0, so y belong to minus 1 by 2 to 1 by 2. Therefore, range f equal to minus 1 by 2 to 1 by 2. In next lecture, we will discuss some standard functions and their graphs. Thank you. Have a nice day.